Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Guys, I am little bit confused about this new model Inkling-Small, and I am not getting that whether I should cry at this model or whether I should laugh on this model. Because you see on their official blog post, they have compared this model with the DeepSeek version 4 Flash, and the benchmarks that they have shown here on their official blog post, these are actually old benchmarks. Why I am saying this? Here you see. This is the terminal bench 2.1, and on this terminal bench 2.1 DeepSeek version 4 flash scoring 61.8. Okay, but the new DeepSeek version 4 flash 0731 that was published one day ago, here you see it is scoring 82.7. Okay, 82.7, and this 61.8, this was the old benchmark score. Okay, this is not the new benchmark. So this is the old benchmark, and not only that, here you see Tulathon verified on this benchmark. Here you see DeepSeek version 4 flash scoring 50.9%, but this is the old benchmark. Here you see on this Tulathon verified. Okay, and the score was 49.7, this old version 4 flash, but for this new version 4 flash the score is 70.3. Okay, so they have not considered the new benchmarks. Basically this model was published 2 days ago, means before the new DeepSeek version 4 flash, so that's why they have considered the old benchmark for this version 4 flash. And if you see this comparison, you will think that Inkling-Small actually beating the DeepSeek version 4 flash, but it is not. DeepSeek version 4 flash new model is actually scoring more in all of the areas, or you can say in most of the areas, than this Inkling-Small. And if I show you the size, so the Inkling-Small size is, here you see 266 billion parameter, the full model size, not the quantized version, 266 billion parameter. And for the DeepSeek version 4 flash, the new model, its size is, here you see that 304 billion parameter, almost same. And the two model is the full model, not the quantized version. But DeepSeek actually very promising model, and it has a lot of capability in all of the areas, coding, agent, and also its pricing is very less, right? And if you see this Inkling model, so they have published this Inkling-Small version. Now before the small version, they published this Inkling, the main model, and the main model size was 952 billion parameter. Okay, now I will show you another interesting thing. So if I scroll down and go to the benchmark, okay, here you see on this SW bench verified, they are showing that this Inkling, the main model, is scoring 77.6%. And now they are showing that this Inkling-Small, it is scoring 80.2% on this SW bench verified. Okay, that means a smaller model of their own version is beating the bigger model. How is that even possible, right? So that's why I am a little bit confused with this model Inkling-Small, and I don't think that there is no point for using this model Inkling-Small when I have this DeepSeek version for Flash, the latest 0731 powerful model. And if you want to know about this model parameter, so I have already told you this is the 266 billion para model. At a time they are activating the 12 billion. It is a mixture of expert model and context window up to 1 million token, and it accepts text, images, audio, and in output it is giving only the text, and completely open source. Also, if you go to this artificial analysis agentic index, this model Inkling-Small, it is scoring 30.8, and its bigger model, which is the main model, it is scoring 32.3. Okay, so here the things get very interesting, that this DeepSeek version 4 flash 0731, the latest model, it is scoring 45.7, and this model, the main model, not the small, the main model is scoring 32.3. There's a huge difference, and the main model size is around 900 billion. Okay, so is there any point to go with this Inkling model? I don't think there is any point. And if you see that this model, Mimo version 2.5 and Minimax M2.7, Nemotron 3 Ultra, and this Claude 4.5 Haiku. Okay, so if you compare this Inkling-Small with these models, Mimo, Minimax M2.7 and this Nemotron 3 Ultra, then you will see that this model is actually useful. Okay, but if you actually consider this DeepSeek version for Flash latest model, then you will see that under this 300 billion category model, okay, under this 300 billion category model, there is only one king, which is the DeepSeek version for Flash, and you don't even require these models Minimax M2.7, Mimo version 2.5, and Claude 4.5 Haiku. You don't even require these models. Why? Because DeepSeek version for Flash is a very cost-effective model. The cost is very low to run this model, and secondly, this model DeepSeek version for Flash has a great agentic capability. Not only the agentic capability in image understanding and also the video understanding, all of that areas, this model actually improved a lot. Okay, so that's why I don't even think that there is any point to use this model. Also, another thing is that if you go to their playground, the official playground, okay, where they are saying that you can actually test this model. To test this model, they are saying that you need to add balance or you need to add credit to your account. This model is free to test. Here you see, if you hover on this, they are saying the model is free to test, but a balance is required to use. I don't get it. Okay, because when they published the main model Inkling, at that time it was freely available to test. But for this Inkling-Small, they are charging to test only this model. Okay, but I don't think that I should I should I don't even require this model Inkling-Small when I have this powerful DeepSeek version for Flash. I am very happy with this model and I don't want to test this Inkling-Small. So this was the informative video, some comparison that I wanted to show you because you guys are my subscriber and I have one responsibility to let you know what is the difference between these models and what are the comparison that they are doing, whether it is right or wrong. From all of the perspective I have actually analyzed and I have shown you. Now it is your choice, you will use it or not. And if you want to get this kind of latest AI related news daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.